Chris, this segment is brought to you by TUI Garden Products. Lucas de Jong has been busy in the garden this morning and he's about to show us a fun project you at home can get amongst. What is it, Lucas?
Well, that's it. I mean, not everyone, Daniel, has these amazing spaces that they can sort of use. Sometimes it's a small balcony. So Hannah here from TUI was going to show us what we could do with a tiny little bag that come Christmas is going to have you looking like you know what you're doing. So take it away, Hannah. What are we looking at here?
Look, so this is a potato grow bag. So this is something, as Lucas said, you can kind of put it anywhere. You don't have to have a big garden like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to grow some potatoes for Christmas. So I've picked a seed potato variety that will give us some potatoes for Christmas Day. It's a Jersey Benny, but you can pick whichever potato you enjoy and how you like to cook.
What's your favourite? Go on, give it to me.
Oh, look, I personally love an agria.
I'm an agria man too.
Yeah,
keep it simple. Agria, fresh, so versatile. Love it.
Exactly. But hey, for today, we want the homeowners to have something for Christmas, so we're going to go with a quick cropping variety. So what we're doing here, we're just going to put 3 to 5 seed potatoes in this bag. We've put a layer of veggie mix at the bottom, about 10 centimetres high, and that will just create the base for this. So we'll pop 3 in here for now, and then we just get some veggie mix here, and we're just going to top this up. So we're just going to top this up. We've got the seed potato sprouts facing upwards, so that's really important. And what we want to do is just cover these seed potatoes completely, but leaving that sprout exposed. So as it grows, it will shoot up. And I guess the trick with this one is just to really put the mix on there as much as you can, have those sprouts still facing up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to top it up as it grows. So you'll see these sprouts shooting right up. This here has a little window, so you can actually open up and see how your babies are growing throughout the year. And you'll know when they're done, when the shoots will die off at the top. So you should actually get the bag full completely. The shoots will die off, and then you'll know they're ready to harvest. Amazing.
Junior Benny's so quick too, aren't they?
They are. I
wanted to reference what Mon's doing behind us as well, because mulch is so important on a garden. She's chucking some pea straw over there, and we've got some barley here too.
Yeah.
Why do we mulch though, Anne?
Look, so I guess there's different reasons why we mulch, specifically on strawberries. As the fruit grows, you want it to kind of have that nice bed of placement, I guess, for those strawberries to land, so they don't rot and get really mouldy. You know, want those really big, juicy fruit. So it's a really nice bedding there. It also helps keep those weeds from coming in, so you don't have to kind of manually pull them out all year.
Yeah.
And then here, same thing. It just kind of keeps them nice and the soil moist, keeps it nice and damp there. Especially as, you know, it rains, you don't want it to dry out, but also just that natural weed control as well.
I mean, I use leaf litter. I've got some wool on the glasshouse this year as well,
perfect.
Creating that amazing bed.
Yep.
Hey, we are going to come back in a month's time and then another month after that too.
Yes.
Any advice for the homeowners in terms of maintenance when we do leave them to look after it?
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, just keeping this pea straw kind of topped up looking nice. We do have a product here called Quash. This will just help keep those slugs and snails away. This is actually a natural iron product. So it's really great if you've got pets around. So yeah, you just kind of sprinkle a bit throughout the garden bed, and that'll just keep those slugs and snails at bay, I guess, until they grow ready to eat.
Awesome, Dave. Hey, thank you so much for helping us out this morning. Guys, we will be back next month. Remember, if you do have any other bits of advice, go to tuigarden.co.nz, where there's lots of other bits of advice and things as well. But
yeah,
I will see you in a month.
Will do. Look forward to it.
Oh, Lucas, thank you.
Nice.
You're so good, Lucas. Nice to have you this
Very
morning.
informative.
Hannah has been great.
You've learned a lot.
I've learned a lot. Will I grow vegetables? Let's wait till next month. I'll have an answer then.
No, now you're supposed to be planting everything. Anyway, if I